How to fix playback audio issue in Adobe Premiere Pro. Here, when I press the play button, neither the audio nor the video is playing. To fix the audio issue, go to Edit, Preferences and then click on Audio Hardware. Change the device class from ASIO to MME. Click Yes, then check the default input and default output and click on OK. Now play the same video. Both the video and audio starts playing. You can again check by changing the preferences in audio hardware. Again go to Edit, Preferences and Audio Hardware and change the hardware type from MME to ASIO. Then click on OK. Here neither the audio nor the video is playing. Hence, for the solution we have to change the audio hardware type from ASIO to MME.